Apple's latest flagship is here, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. But how much better is it than last year's iPhone 16 Pro Max? Let's break it down. Starting with design and build, the 16 Pro Max introduced that titanium frame, which was already a game changer. But the 17? It takes things to the next level. It's thinner, noticeably lighter, and now has this smooth satin textured back that doesn't pick up fingerprints nearly as much. Bezels? Pretty much gone. The 17 Pro Max has the slimmest borders I've ever seen on an iPhone. Now the display. Both are rocking the 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR OLEDs, but the 17 Pro Max turns up the brightness. We're talking 3000 nits peak. Even outdoors in direct sunlight, you can see everything crystal clear. For the first time, Apple added Adaptive Color Tone Pro, which means your screen's hue shifts perfectly to match your environment. Let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 17 Pro Max gets the brand new A18 Pro chip, built on a 2nm process. Versus last year's A17 Pro, you're looking at 25% faster graphics and a 30% boost in machine learning. This is huge for AI apps and graphics-heavy gaming. Everything just feels faster and smarter. Battery life? The 17 Pro Max edges out the 16, now up to 30 hours of video playback. Better thermals in the A18 chip mean you get more life out of every charge. And USB-C is still here, but now with 45W charging, so you'll top up even quicker. Cameras are where things get really interesting. The 16 Pro Max brought in the 5x periscope zoom, but the 17 levels up with a 6x variable periscope, plus an upgraded 48MP ultra-wide lens. Next-gen photonic engine, improved night mode, and smart HDR mean your shots look better in any lighting. And spatial video, now supported natively, making your vids pop like never before. On the software side, iOS 19 lets the 17 Pro Max fully flex with Apple Intelligence. We're talking real-time voice summarization, smart app actions, and generative AI baked right into the system. The 16 Pro Max gets some of it, but only the 17 can tap into that full neural engine power. So, what's actually changed? Almost everything: design, display, performance, camera, and intelligence. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't just another upgrade, it's a real step into Apple's AI-first future. Is it worth it? If you want the edge, absolutely.